Okay, we're in now.
Fiery Furnace Viewpoint.
And it is about 97 degrees.
Yeah, it's too hot.
So it is kind of a fiery furnace. Nice breeze though. I don't know what this stuff is.
So that's the fiery furnace over there. There is a trailhead here, but you have to have a permit and be accompanied by a ranger.
Or you can have a self-guided permit.
Oh, okay.
I don't know. We'll look it up tonight. It looks like something that might be fun.
I imagine it goes in between all
It
that.
does.
It says it has slots
Yeah,
and
it's
stuff.
kind of skinny. You know how I am with small spaces.
Yep.
As long as I can look up and see the sky, I don't think it matters.
Where's your hips and belly are rubbing me fire?
Wow. It's clouds. How are you? Hey.
The valley
Oh,
down
I wonder if that's Cache Valley.
or Salt Valley.
Salt Valley, maybe?
Because the viewpoint for Salt Valley goes back there.
Yeah.
I think that's Salt Valley. And that's the road we came up on. I believe. No, you are not allowed to go over there.
I'm just going to walk around it. Which part can I go on?
None of it.
Way cool. Zero.
I bet it's called Fiery Furnace because you know how in the Grand Canyon, the lower you go, the hotter it gets?
Yep.
I bet you because of all that rock, I bet it is so incredibly hot down there.
Yeah, we'll have to look it up and see. It's pretty crazy.
You can see the trail down there.
Yeah, I see it.
And that green over there, you see that green?
Yep.
So that's a different version of iron. So iron, the red canyons that have iron in them, that's like the rust part of iron. Evidently the seas like flowed over top of this iron stuff, and it changed the component of how the iron reacts,
Cool.
and it turned green instead of red.
Yep. That looks like the path down there. Yeah, definitely want to look it up and see what the hike is like.